Hi guys and welcome. I'm just going to kill myself now, okay? Okay, today we're gonna try again our lucky to the fountain. I know the Halloween is over, but who cares? I really wanna get a dark Hello because I don't know, I'm a nature and dark hybrid, so I hate light. I really hate it even. Who will see me shoot will think that I'm an angel demon or a dark and light hybrid, but no, I am a nature and dark hybrid. So that's so stupid. If you wanna, I have an amino. I have amino, okay, and you can join Gaka. I don't know how to say it really now. I have a Gaka amino. I'm joining it, and you can go. Okay, at least are three fake YouTubers here. This is or not, because yeah, I had some trouble with them in the chat, but I'm not gonna show you. Okay, let's see what the fountain got. Sorry, but I just can't. I need to get the ice. No, I don't know ice and fairy. I will just jet. I wanna jet that with the dark fairy and choose 5 diamonds and get the dark hello. This is what I want to do. Ocean, yeah, go and stream, motherfucker. Sorry for swearing or cursing, but no, I just had a problem. Yeah. Okay. I will just reset. I'm gonna do it even if it is going to lose all. I'm just fan of them. They got these glasses. This is the single thing that I got, and the rest diamonds and nothing. I got more nothings than two fake alley. I'm just sorry. I'm happy with any I wanna get the yeah, you see, no they're like I'm the really hash. No, I am. Now I am. No, I am. Now I am. And yeah, even they're gonna die. I hope. Yeah, sorry for cussing. Sorry. I don't know. Should I make some thumbnails? I don't really know. I'm too lazy, so I don't think it's gonna work. I'm gonna just something. I'm gonna put my friend to make me because she said that she wanted me to put her in some videos. From real life, okay? Yeah. Come, get me. Oh, hey, do you want me to drive you to some shops? No, thanks. I had shopping. Okay, I just hate. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to kill myself because look how many. Okay, 3 hashes, 1 dove, and we had. Okay, I'm going to kill myself. Let's see what's in the chat. I'm the real. Okay, I'm just gonna. No person from here is the real Lee. Oopsie, sorry. And oh my gosh, I just hate it. Two fakes. Oh no, 3 fakes and one. What are you looking at? Where from? Ah, not again. If you Cybernova teach me that if you don't have the story that you wanted, you could reset. So yeah, shout out to her. I know nobody knows that I'm existing on YouTube or in real life, but shout out to her. Even it's someone that knows that I exist. I had just all my friends and 3 friends in real life. Family, and this is all. Come and jet me. Yeah, you jet me. Though my car almost sweat and he's don't you dare to hit the squirrel. Oh, that was cool. Don't you dare to hit the squirrel. Too much. No. Thanks, shares it. You're both fake. I'm really. And just can you just stop because you're so annoying. Yes, this is it. What I wanted. Okay. This is it. I need to choose. Let me see how many diamonds because I have a paper with. I just started the game. I will leave the link in the description if I can. Okay, to get this halo, you must have the story of Ready Prince. That is frog. Blah blah blah. Wait, we're right now. How many? I think 1,000. Let me note. Frog. 1,000. Okay. Am I a noob? Yeah, you're a noob, sir. Okay. This was just a joke. Okay, we need to choose 1,000. 100. Sorry, 100. I'm still learning English, and yeah. I mean no harm. Okay, I think I will jet a hello, hoping because the last time I jet the story, I jet 15. I think 15. I'm not really sure how many diamonds it does, but and she cheated cheat my diamonds, or he or she eats my diamonds, cheated my diamonds actually. The frog, or the toad, I'm not really sure. The toast eat my diamonds, is eating my diamonds, sorry. Okay, if I will do 100 diamonds, I think I will. I think I just 10 diamonds or less, or more. 10 or more, yeah, this is it. Okay, now we're gonna put 1,000. Stop saying 1,000, girl. 3, 2, 1, go. Leave the alien fun, bubbly kind out of the. Oh, she's the hero. Oh, finally, flowing water. The toad lets the shining gemstones sank to. Yeah, again, there's so much leak. Okay, I think I will sparkling lights. I hope I will jet a halo because Leo's it's losing. Lose is so friend. Yes. Okay, I really hope, guys. I really hope to get a halo. Yes. Please don't diamond. Okay. Okay, I will cry. Okay, now I'm crying. I'm going to cry right now. I'm going to cry. If you believe me, I'm really crying. I'm just going to cry. Where is my? I'm just going to listen. It was so close. It was so close. I'm just going to. I don't care anymore of my life. I'm going to kill myself. I just love this song and I had nothing to do so. I'm just going to say something. I know it is glitching, but I let it. I'm gonna say the truth right now. I just hit it when I just putting in, you know. I'm gonna make. I really like Jackie Jackie, so I'm gonna make a video in real high where I'm going to make characters. I'm gonna make Yuri and Monica in the first, or I don't know. It will be a series with characters. I'm just going to delete this. Bye, guys. Rose was here and now is.